Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ramp Vendor Management Review My Usage Experience. Ramp Vendor Management Review My Usage Experience offers a centralized platform for managing and reviewing vendors. Its main purpose is to streamline the vendor approval process and provide a single source of truth for vendor information, targeting businesses of all sizes that work with numerous suppliers. Key features likely include vendor onboarding, performance tracking, and compliance management. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. They emphasize ease of use and improved efficiency. While specific pricing isn't readily available on the main page, the implication is that pricing scales with usage, and they promote transparency, suggesting no hidden fees. They don't explicitly mention a comparison to competitors, but the implied benefit is a consolidated system simplifying a complex process. Availability is likely dependent on a business's needs and can be determined by contacting Ramp directly. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ramp Vendor Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was straightforward. I uploaded my existing vendor information within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. For example, tracking a specific vendor's performance was as easy as clicking on their profile and reviewing their key metrics, which included things like on-time delivery rates and payment history. The system generated insightful reports which highlighted potential risks and areas for improvement. Performance-wise, the system was quick and reliable. I didn't experience any significant downtime or bugs. I had a quick question about integrating the system with our existing accounting software, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting, saving me hours of manual data entry. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, requiring me to always access it from my desktop. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I did, they were incredibly useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ramp Vendor Management Review My Usage Experience. It significantly improved our vendor management process. That's my overview of Ramp Vendor Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.